You're now tuned in to radiodr.co.za.
Hey, it's about that time. It's party time from the couch of Swine on radiodr.co.za. Hi, it's party time from the couch at Swan.
It's your captain. What it do, baby?
It's the dragon. Aspets.
And we're here for
voice.
top five.
Top 5.
Top 5.
So who's starting this one?
Mike,
Why would I start the top
because
5?
you're the youngest.
No, I'm actually older than Party Time Outside.
Yo, everyone's older than me. Can you guys stop being old?
I'm older than Party
No,
Time.
he is. He is
You're
November.
97?
I'm December.
98.
How?
You're 97. He's 98.
Oh,
You're 97.
I am older than you. How
Oh.
can you lie to me? So it is you first.
Oh my god. Why are you 97, dog?
Because
How are you 97?
my parents couldn't wait another year.
Oh, wow. Okay. Shout outs to
Yes,
Babusi.
So you are young, the youngest.
Okay.
He's the youngest.
Top 5, Michael.
Top 5.
It's just Mike.
It's just Mike. It's just Mike. No, it's just Mike.
No,
It's
Mike.
just Mike. It's just Mike.
Okay, cool. Then top 5, Mark.
Top five. No, guys, you put me on the spot. Like we had
We're
so
not,
much
though.
time
Why
to
didn't you
chill
prepare?
and
You had
think.
2 weeks.
Yeah, 2.
I had 2 weeks.
Yeah, dog.
I was told today, Mike, you're on a podcast today. Let's go.
You literally lying. You know what you gotta do.
I
every
did not know
Saturday.
what I'm doing today at 8 a.m. You only told me
It
at
goes
10.
to show they're wasting money at the marketing school you go to.
Yeah.
Ah.
Top 5 things to waste on Mike. Money.
Oh, education.
Education.
Transport money.
DNA.
DNA.
Yeah, okay.
Wait. Okay. Oh, okay.
Double your dick.
Okay.
So you ready for your top 5?
I won't do top 5, but I'll do really spicy questions.
What?
5 spicy questions.
Not 5 spicy
Yo,
questions.
is that not
It's
like something
one
you get from,
question.
like,
It's one question.
yo,
that you just have
someone's
to
been
answer.
watching, like reading the Glamour magazine. Top 5 spicy questions.
I have a feminine side.
Mike,
I have a feminine side. Huh?
What's your top 5?
Okay, now I'm putting the niggas to work. Top 5 sexual positions, if you can think of it.
Yeah, we know. But top 5.
But
is
it's
something
your
that
top
you
5.
activate.
Yeah, it's your top 5, like 6 positions.
Yeah, my top 5. My top 5 is top 5 sexual positions.
No, as in you must name
But
the top
name
5.
them then.
I have to name. Aren't we all doing it together?
No. You
It's
must
you.
name
What?
them and then.
Now I'm putting myself on the spot.
Yeah. Okay. So, Mike, how top 5 works is it you
Okay, cool.
Yeah,
Okay,
Mike,
cool.
What are your top 5?
You'll
My
say-
top
you'll say top-
5. Because I don't have a chair.
No, but let me tell you, Mike,
just
so you
moved from the
understand.
couch.
Somebody
So
give me a
top
beer.
5, you say top 5, like you just said, top 5 sexual positions, and then you must name them, and we'll just discuss it. Like, are you
Okay,
serious?
cool.
That's your top 5 top thing
Having a mic on a mic is pretty cool.
on Michael.
I'm not Michael. It's just
Mike's got a
Mike.
mic.
It's just Mike.
Oh wait, cool. So Mike's top 5 is.
My top 5 sexual positions.
Oh wait, what's your top 5, bro?
In no
Particular
specific order, and I don't know the names. I just do things, especially when I'm lit.
Silo fundisa
Especially when I'm
just
lit,
does things.
I just do things. So
Yeah, Kusila.
where I get my synergy from is 69. I get synergy from 69.
Love maker.
I am.
Literally, 69.
I am. Baby girl, let me make love to you. Tonight, I was supposed to be an R&B star, guys.
Love handles.
Let me eat your muffin top, girl.
Hi, book guys. PG 23.
I'm 21. Wait, I wasn't supposed to say that live.
No, carry on. No, ngola kwakho.
I know a lot of people don't like it, but like missionary goes hard, guys.
Missionary is the beginning, guys.
Subscribe to Radio DR.
Missionary goes hard, Dad.
No, I'm not gonna lie, guys. Missionary is the one. Like it's where
It's
you
not
get
the
to know
one.
No, you
It's
get
not
to
the
know, it's
one.
where you get to know the person. Like
low siblings fucking want to talk about sex.
So they're all their
Mike,
siblings.
guys, missionary is the introduction. I in the essay, in the
It's
introduction.
the remix to Ignition.
The conclusion.
It's the remix to Ignition.
Yeah,
I've been fresh out the kitchen. Mama rolling that
Nah,
party.
What is your top 5?
Oh, guys, I'm not gonna finish my
Wait,
top
he's
5.
not
Finish
finished.
your top 5,
He's not-
bro.
Okay, missionary and then
It was 69 missionary. Doggy goes hard. That's
Too
ultimate
hard.
life. That's ultimate life.
shout out to
vibes.
Doggy Style.
Doggy style can like make you embrace somebody and make them do things they never thought they'd do. They'd never figure out that my body can do
Wait.
this. Shout out to Doggy style.
Shout out to Teabag.
Teabag the boss.
Wow.
Wow.
Party time, you're going too hard.
You have 3 positions.
I've got 2 positions left. Number 4.
There's no word for it. Just
There's a word for it. There's a word for it. Okay, there's no word for it. But like, you know this thing, me and my friends, I saw my one friend, right? Wait, listen. So, the one time we had Gate, shout out Party in the Park back in high school
Hey, Party in the
days.
Park. Yeah,
Party in the
nonsense.
Park used to go hard.
That's the yabo leyo nto. Ay gangile nje yabo.
So-
Ngiyakuphithi Party in the Park, guys.
She was
Ningayisi
doing
lapho.
the things.
Ningayisi lapho.
So I saw my friend rolling around with some girl.
rolling.
Rolling around with some girl in the middle of the road on Chris Saunders Park, right?
Okay.
But then now the one thing he did was he picked her up and then dropped her after like a couple of steps. So we used to call that the Batista bomb.
Oh, yeah.
So the Batista bomb while smashing goes hard.
It does go hard.
What the fuck is that? What happens
It's
there?
smashing while standing.
Oh, okay.
You flex your masculinity. That's basically what it is.
If the nigga doesn't do legs,
It's late for him.
it's a jiving.
Senjeni blind. Blind.
Gang, you ready?
I used to play rugby. Relax yourself.
Okay, is that your 4th one? Hey.
That's my 4th one.
We can
And
do
then your
a
5th
tournament
one?
right now about
Wait.
legs.
No. Last one, Mike.
I don't know if blowjobs are a position, but blowjobs go hard. Shout out to blowjobs. You
It's a
have to be
fucking
mentioned.
foreplay, you idiot.
6'9", Gita.
Huh?
6'9".
Yeah,
is a blowjob
clearly
position.
he's a
And
fan.
you eating something.
Okay, the dragon.
I
You're
like
top 5.
teabagging
You're
though,
top
too.
5.
You must teabag girls. Guys like that.
The dragon, it's your turn.
What have you become?
What have you done?
What have I continued to do?
Dragon, it's your turn. Top 5.
Top 5. Movies. I'll do movies. So who's taking movies, guys? So what topics do I have?
Top 5 anything,
No,
bro.
it's not top 5.
Top
anything.
5 rappers, top 5 songs,
Do I
top
get
5.
rappers?
No, I'm just
He's
giving
got
you
movie- he's got
ideas.
movies.
Yeah, then do songs.
Top 5 songs.
Or something. Rappers even. Whatever.
Okay, I'll tell you something.
Umzamo likes Calvin Harris.
I do
Don't
like-
even lie on my brother.
I met you in the summer.
I do like. Wow. Timber Brothers are do. The Timber Brothers are taking over. It's fine. Okay. I
The
don't
peanut
understand.
gallery says he's a white boy at heart, and I agree totally.
When everyone's done talking shit.
Yeah, can
Shite.
the dragon say his top 5? Top 5.
They
Dragon.
said white boys smash white girls. Oh my gosh, Umzamo, you're a white boy.
What?
It's late for you.
Anyway, my top 5. I'll do cars. Mercedes-Benz SL 500. 1996. Mercedes-Benz C63 507. What?
Yeah.
Mercedes-Benz C63 507 Legacy Edition.
What does that even mean?
It's a car, bruh.
I know it's a car, but like,
Do you want to
why
see
do you
a
have to go
picture?
so deep
Do
inside?
you want visual imagery?
Okay, let me see the picture of the car. 507.
And then your third
Let
one.
me see it.
SL 500. That one. 90 something.
Okay, Dragon, the third one.
No, the BMW
3 Series.
8 Series.
Oh my god.
1997.
I feel like you're making numbers out of your
No,
ass.
there's a car right there. Candy Red. SL 500.
It's pretty ugly.
Show.
It's pretty ugly.
This was at Mercedes' time where they were trying to figure out what they were doing by saving money or luxury. It was just a horrible.
They just
thing.
didn't know what they were doing.
Look at this. Come. Look.
Like it is.
Would you buy
It's
this?
not. No, we know classic cars. I
have a
know
car.
what you look like nicely.
Peanut gallery speaking with me to this.
That's pretty ugly, bro.
Isn't this the car that was on
I got a fistful
Problem
of my
Child.
divas in my hand.
Problem
it's on that
Child?
video too.
Same car.
It's not
Problem
the same car.
Child.
Mercedes was
That
going
one
through
was
something-
fire.
I'm just saying Mercedes was going through some things with this box ass design.
560 SESC.
Okay, but this one is on Problem Child. That's all I know.
Yeah,
This exactly red one.
It
Yo,
was,
exactly.
It was Mercedes at its boxiest versions, and like nah.
I didn't know we were doing opinion pieces here.
Okay,
carry
carry
on
on
with
with
your
your top
Carry on with your top 5. It's ass though.
The Mercedes Benz SLR.
That goes hard. Just the SLR in general.
It was a partnership between McLaren and Mercedes. It's the only.
Why do you know so much about cars? I feel like guys invest too much into knowing these things. No, bro. Like,
FYI, Mike doesn't know anything about cars.
I really don't. I just
This
wanna
was
feel.
Mercedes
Hence
coming
why
back. The
his name is
SLR
Michael.
was Mercedes
It's
being
not
like,
Michael. It's just Mike.
Sorry.
You get to call
This
me
is
party
what
time
luxury
outside. I get to
truly
call
is.
you
It's your
Michael.
party time outside.
Yeah, Michael.
How about that?
Oh wait, your fourth one.
Compared to what we saw,
The Dragon.
That's way better.
The Dragon, your fourth one. Your fourth top 5 car. The Dragon, your top 5 fourth car.
I hear you. The last car I would like to mention.
I said fourth one, and he says last one.
That's the fourth, bro.
Oh, it's the fifth one. I'm lying. Party time. The liar.
The second generation
You better not disappoint me.
Range Rover was the best they've ever done. Second generation Range Rover.
Guys, I'm back. This is Hala. I want to give him some more high five. Boy, you know we're the only one that know cars.
Can I do my top 5?
Like,
Can I do my
Thank
top
you.
5?
You can do your top 5.
Top 5. Top 5 rappers also mixed with like songs.
that rappers.
Yeah.
Okay.
My first, okay, I don't, not rapper, but like artist. I'll say artist because I don't want to just say rappers.
top 5.
Yeah. NERD. Their album, Fly
Which
or
one?
Die. Fly or Die, guys. That is
I feel
my,
like you're influenced by your siblings there, but anyway.
that's fine. That's cool. That's perfect. But that's my top 5.
Okay.
Secondly, I love Kanye's album Yay. Not Yay. What is it called? The latest one. The
Life of Pablo.
Yeah.
Oh, is it called Yay? The bipolar one.
Yeah.
Yes. That one.
Party time.
Yes.
Still
Hi.
slaps.
Can I do a line from one of my favorite Ye songs from
Go
that album?
ahead.
Don't sing it.
You know when he says,
Don't sing it.
I don't feel like you're man enough.
Yes.
That's Charlie Wil-
That's not
Charlie
Kanye.
Wilson.
Oh shit! That is my jam. Anyway, thirdly, oh guys, I have to go back to the roots. It's Sphumelele Mahlobo. Siya Phambili.
That's you, right?
Do you know what you doing? Do you know why you doing it? Sorry, but yeah, top 5. If you don't know Sphumelele, guys, go like research that group, and they're super dope, super like cultural. You know, like
I feel like that comes from your dad.
yeah, obviously. I said I have to take it back to the roots. Sorry. What do you mean? Is this not me? No, it's not Hugh. I didn't say Hugh. I said my top. Because that's not who I want to talk about. That's my third. That's my third top 5. Number 4 top 5 has to be at the moment.
Are we talking musicians or
Yeah.
are we talking
I
albums?
said I'm mixing it for myself because I don't know what I want to do. Yeah, my 4th one has to be Doja Cat. Doja Cat, guys,
Yeah.
is
Yeah,
amazing.
Moo.
No, I'm
No,
talking
the
about
artist.
the artist. Yes, like her new album. What was it called? Amala. I think it was called Amala. Yes. Super lit. I enjoy it, and like just her as a person. Like I really like even just watching her Instagram live videos or like her
Who was
I
she
love her.
beefing with online recently?
beefing with online.
Yeah, she was beefing with someone. I guess she's always beefing with someone.
Oh no. That was like some person commented on her thing saying like female rappers just female rappers like aren't the shit, and then she just had to like go on and like be deep about it. She's anything she wants to be, and that's what I like about her. Like she can sing, but she also raps like deep. Okay, cool, but I also like her music. Her music is quite dope. If you listen to her music, her music is actually fucking dope. True, and that too. She's very gorgeous. She is very gorgeous. Okay, Doja Cat was my 4th one. And then my 5th one has to be, also have to take it back to the roots, Earth, Wind, and Fire. Do you remember? 21st night, September. Yeah, but like just even beyond that, just like Earth, Wind, and Fire, even fantasy, dude. And remember, not Lloyd Squad, what's his name? Tight Eyes or something, did a remix. Or was it J Squad did a remix. Yeah, fantasy. Bzam. The Dragon. Hello.
They did.
J Squad did a remix.
No.
No, J Squad was like some.
What?
Because there's something called YouTube. I remember. Ooh. I remember that.
Maybe J Squad was South African.
Guys, but also there's YouTube, like you
Maybe
can
J
see the
Squad
shit
was South
anyway.
African because they did the South
Because
African
maybe he
news
liked that one
what's the name?
specifically.
remix.
But
No,
J
no, no.
Squad
Wait a minute.
did an Earth, Wind, and Fire remix as well. Yeah, fantasy. Oh wait, that's my 5 thing. Those are my top 5s. CeeLo, it's your turn for top 5. You can.
No, I don't think J Squad was South African. I think there was just like some South African guy who figured out J Squad style. I think. I could be wrong. So my top 5, I'm just gonna do top 5 movies this year by like money. This year, 2019. This is the American domestic grosses, so how much they've made in America. Spider-Man has made 364 million thus far. That was dropped on the 7th of the 2nd. When was that? I haven't seen the movie. Funny enough. I just said I. It's not my top 5. I just said, motherfuckers, that I'm doing the top 5. I don't watch movies as often as I should as a movie maker because I've been busy with Radio DR. Anyway, that's why I got the stats. .co.za. Yeah. Next movie that's made the most money is Toy Story 4 at 400 million. Captain Marvel at 426 million. The Lion King. Already? Yeah, number 2, motherfuckers. At 448 million. I know what number 1 is. Avengers, a game with almost double what its competitor had at 800 million. That's the most in 2019. That's the top 5 movies in 2019 thus far. Yeah, well, not the most ever because I think the Avatar is the highest grossing movie, and I'm out because top 5 is amazing.
Away. So it's been great, guys. Top 5, top 5, top 5.
Silo's making popcorn.
What?
What?
Okay, white dude. It's chilled.
Mike D.
It's
made
been
it.
great. It's been great. This is party time. We're here on the couch at Swine. Today I had the dragon.
The dragon.
I had
It's
the
hot
Captain
fire.
Michael. And we'd basically just like to love and leave you guys. See you next week of next week.
Okay, sure. RadioDR.co.za.